Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Go to the link, read the blog. The Verizon Frontline crisis response team on Sunday complete a development in support of Homeland different 23 4-day training access ordained by the Indian National Guard and held the most training center with more than 500 participants. The exercise brought together national units, civilian emergency management personnel, first response, and the industry partners like Verizon Frontline to parts response. Are together they worked on the front lines of an actual disaster. The training at Homeland Department 23 is centered around a simulated measure along with Valerie's seismic zone which is located in southern South Indian capable of product up to Mach 7.0 access prediction content environment emergency response tires tied to training seconds including evolutes and urban search and extraction operation with dozens of division frontline solutions and including several settle vehicles on Plus SPOT. Verizon's Frontlines Technical Humanity Operation Response Vehicle Verizon's Rapid Response Communicately Unit and multiple drones. The Verizon Frontline response team established and supported mission critical communication capability for exercise participants at multiple locations across the installation while on-site for development network connectivity and enhanced solutional awareness for exercise partnerships while also serving as a mobile command center. Verizon frontline support of this training was provided at the invitation of the Indian National Guard. This year's experience also featured National Guard units from Lyons, Kentley, and Chicago. So we go to other sites. Uh, Yahoo about in July 2020, 26 July 2023, Global News thought out the first 7 months of 2023. The Verizon Frontline Crisis Response Team has continued to provide fast responsible with access to the network and solution they need to achieve the mission under nearly an condition already responding requests of mechanical communication support from public safety agencies. More than 27,000 frontline solutions have been developed. These public safety agents to help provide mission critical vehicle and service to fast response on the front lines. These solutions have included Saturn is also on wireless means Rounded's network external mobile hotspot. So friends, thanks for watching. See you in next video.